Welcome! Have you seen our product before? Do you know the design about 3-in-1 adjustable dumbbell? When watching our video, maybe you will have a question like this one. How long it takes to assemble this 3-in-1 dumbbell, barbell, and kettlebells for someone who has no experience with our products. So today we have a totally newcomer. Welcome!
Hello, my name is Vicky.
Welcome, Vicky. So today we will test how long will you take to assemble our product. Let's go! So this is our 3-in-1 dumbbell. First, if you receive this, you will receive a dumbbell and some accessory. So what do you think about these things?
It's neatly placed, but I don't know what it's for.
Okay, first things I will show you a 3D videos. And this video will show you how these pieces come together. Don't worry, it won't take long. Okay?
For this video, you can also find it in our YouTube.
Okay, after you watch the video, so now it's your turn to do these dumbbells. Yes, it's one hand adjustable. Now it's 2 kg and can also be 4 kg and can be 6.5 kg. Yes, so you can have a try. Okay, so it's your turn to turn this into a barbell. Okay, go.
Okay, first step. She's gonna line these up. It's a good idea to be prepared. And she also makes this place clean and tidy. Good, Vicky. Next, she adjusted the dumbbells to the smallest gears. Yeah, and then take out the magnets. Put the handles of the dumbbells to one side and then start to assemble the barbell. This step is very easy. And now goes to the difficult part. Start assembling the barbell handles. But it's also easy. Just line up the holes and torque the screws. But for those of you who are operating for the first time, perhaps you need to get used to it first. Yeah, I know it. Vicky has some problem with it now. She tried fixing the screws by hand first, then with tools. Oh, and now she started to sit down and tried it again. This time she secured the screws to the tool before moving on to the next move. Now she succeeded. Well done. And she's already feeling it. It's almost done. It's the last step. Just as you disassemble the dumbbell handles before, you only need magnets to assemble the barbell handles. But it looks like she's got a little problem. That's because the base wasn't done properly. Okay, now well done.
Okay, congratulations. So, how long do you think you use?
20.
20 minutes?
Yes.
Exactly, only 10 minutes. Yes.
Oh, so quickly?
Yes.
Wow, my God. Congratulations.
Next, I will show you a video about really assemble. So after that video, you will do this again.
Okay.
Okay, and we will use the timer to test how long you take. So next time you need to be quickly. Okay.
For this video, you can find it in our YouTube.
I just reset this. So now I will use this to test how long you will take. Okay, so you only cost 4 minutes.
Good.
Good, very good. So for the first time, you only cost 10 minutes, and the second time you only cost 5 minutes. Very good. So what do you feel about today's disassemble?
So very easy.
Very easy.
Easy.
Okay,
Yeah.
thank you for today. So next time, maybe we will have another test. If you are interested in it, please follow us and give us more likes.